Now, taking care of your windows might seem like a breeze, but making a few common mistakes can sure cut down their lifespan and cost you big in the long haul. So let's take a look at the 5 window maintenance mistakes folks make and how to steer clear of them. Mistake number 1, neglecting regular cleaning. Over time, dirt and grime can pile up on your windows, causing scratches and damage. Now listen here, don't be using harsh chemicals or rough tools that can scratch up the glass. Stick to a soft cloth and some mild dish soap to keep those windows looking as shiny as a new penny. Mistake number 2, not checking for leaks and drafts. If you got cold air or moisture sneaking in, your energy bill's gonna be sky high. Seal up them gaps with some good old weather stripping or caulk to keep that warm air inside and those bills down. Mistake number 3, forgetting to lubricate moving parts. Ain't nothing worse than a squeaky or stuck window. Give those hinges and tracks a little love with some silicone-based lubricant, and your windows will open smoother than a Sunday stroll. Mistake number 4, neglecting them frames. Now, wood frames need a little extra attention with cleaning, painting, or resealing. Aluminum and vinyl are lower maintenance, but don't forget, aluminum frames can still get dirty or even corrode in humidity or salty environments. Give your aluminum frames a good clean to prevent dirt buildup and oxidation, and for vinyl, just give it a quick wash to keep them looking sharp. Lastly, mistake number 5, postponing window repairs. Even a small crack or broken seal can snowball into a bigger issue down the road. Sometimes repairs are possible, but if your windows are older or you're dealing with recurrent problems, replacing them might be the smarter long-term solution. Address those issues early and you'll save yourself some bigger headaches and higher costs later on. By avoiding these common window maintenance mistakes, you'll be protecting your home, saving on energy bills, and keeping those windows looking like $1,000,000 for years to come. For more expert tips or professional window replacement, give Texas-made windows and more a holler today.